Robin?
Nothing.
Come close, I want to show you something. I bought biscuits for you.
Take it. Yes, dear. Welcome.
I don't know how to, but now it's yours. Wait, I open it.
Really?
Hey, don't do that. You like chocolates, so why you ask about biscuits? Sorry, but I don't have more chocolates for you. Listen me carefully, please, Robin, I beg you. Want more chocolates? I will buy only for you.
Yes, dear.
I will never change for you. Thanks, Robin, for your kindness.